What's really been amazing to see is just how naturally excited people are to talk about the challenge on a day-to-day basis, whether it be someone just getting started and setting their goal and telling the world that they're taking on a 90-day challenge, or maybe it be finishing on day 90 as they step on a scale or across the finish line, and all of a sudden they experience that triumph, and the joy just can't be held back. They want to go out there and share it with the world. So we got together and said, how can we take something that's already growing virally all across North America and make it grow even faster? Hence, the ViSalus 3 for Free program. So let's talk about what exactly you have to do to get your product for free every single month. All the program details are actually on 3forfree.visalus.com. But here's the basic gist. Simply refer 3 other customers, now notice I said customers, not promoters, to the same or greater challenge kit than you. As long as you have 3 other customers that are on the same or greater challenge kit from you, by the end of the month, then your next month product will be shipped for free. Now don't worry if you end up referring customers that select a bunch of different kits that maybe aren't the same kit as you. As long as the total spend of your 3 or more customers is at least 3 times the price of your current challenge kit, we're still going to ship you your challenge kit for free. So not that I really have to address the question of why you might want to get your product for free delivered to your doorstep every single month, but let me just share with you 3 ideas that I have on the top of my head, starting with your success. Studies have shown that if you start a weight loss or fitness program with at least 3 people you already knew, did you know your odds of success nearly triple when you check back in 10 months later? Or how about the fun factor? Let's be real, if you're going to take a challenge, it's more fun to do it with your friends. Not to mention, isn't the best gift you can really give the gift of health? And trust me, you don't want to be the person that comes back 90 days later with the new improved you and have your closest relationships say, hey, how come you didn't tell me about it? So have fun. Get some people to do the challenge with you. Enjoy the journey. And probably the most obvious reason, it's free. Everything's better when it's free. The shakes taste better when they're free. Why pay for something when you can get it for free? Granted, you still pay for shipping, but let's face it, you get your challenge kit for free every single month. So those are some quick thoughts on why you might want to get the product for free every single month and what exactly you need to do to make that happen. Lastly, let's talk about how you might go about doing that. Starting with day 1, you want to make sure you go public with your goal. You should be proud that you're taking on the 90-day challenge. Tell the world. The more people you tell, the more support you're going to elicit, and that way you have people around you that are going to support you over the 90-day journey. So if you haven't done so yet, go to your Facebook page or your Twitter or whatever social network you're connected to your friends and family on and just throw up a post. I just started the Body by Bye 90-day challenge. My goal is to, whatever your goal is, lose 20 pounds or run a marathon or lower my body fat. You have to hear about it. You want to keep everyone updated on your progress as you're going through your 90-day challenge. Whether it be Facebook posts of photos or shakes that you're drinking, maybe it's a trial or a tribulation you're going through today. Be real with everybody along your journey. People are interested in supporting you. The great news about the Body by Bye Challenge community is there's success stories happening every day, virtually everywhere. So it's also good maybe to share the successes of others with people that you're connected with so they know this is something that's bigger than just your challenge. Matter of fact, a great place to find those resources are the ViSalus social media pages. Check out our Facebook page or our Twitter page. They fill up every day of brand new testimonies that you could simply share with people that you're connected with. Now, if you're the 1 or 2 people that are sitting there right now and maybe you're a little more old school and you haven't jumped into this whole Facebook thing, hey, you can take the old school route and simple before and after photos, whether they be pictures of your own progress or maybe people you know that are also on the challenge. Hey, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Go out there and share the successes.